Hey, friends, welcome back to Unscripted Genius. I'm Jeff McNabb, and I realized something. Up until now, I've been letting Pixar Jeff do most of the heavy lifting. He's fun, he's animated, and yeah, maybe a little too perfect. But today, I wanted to step in and make this more personal because what we're talking about, status, isn't just an improv trick. It's something I use in real life, whether I'm on stage, in a business meeting, or even at the grocery store. Pixar Jeff will still pop in to show you the moves because let's face it, he's got style. But I'm going to walk you through how status can change the way people see you and how you see yourself. So stick around because this might be the simplest way to boost your presence without saying a single word.
Good morning. Welcome. You must be here for your 9 a.m. appointment.
Welcome back to Unscripted Genius. Today we're exploring one of Improv's best kept secrets for business success, the power of playing with status. In Improv, status isn't about job titles or pay grades. It's about the signals we send with our body language, tone, and attitude. High status people take up space, speak confidently, and make direct eye contact. Low status folks shrink, avoid eye contact, or fidget. We shift status all the time, often without realizing it. Here's a simple exercise for your next team meeting. Pair up. One person starts as high status, the other as low status. Play a mundane scene. Maybe you're two coworkers talking at the coffee machine. The high status person might stand tall, speak calmly. The low status person might slouch, avoid eye contact. Switch. At any moment, either person can flip their status, change posture, voice, and energy. Instantly, the dynamic shifts. Try switching a few times back and forth. Then swap roles. The point? To notice how quickly we can change the power dynamic and how it affects the conversation. Status awareness is crucial at work. Leaders sometimes need to lower their status to invite ideas. Team members can raise theirs to be heard. This exercise makes us conscious of the hidden cues that shape meetings, helps introverts find their voice, and helps leaders become better listeners. Builds empathy. When you try out different statuses, you see the world from your teammates' perspective. When your team practices status switching, you get better at reading the room, building trust, and adapting in any situation. It's not about winning, it's about finding the right energy for the moment. If you found this episode helpful, hit like, subscribe for more improv tools for work and life, and share this video with someone who could use a new spark at work. Until next time, keep experimenting, keep supporting each other, and keep saying yes and. I'm the Pixar version of Jeff McNabb, and this is Unscripted Genius. Remember, wit happens, especially when we play together. See you next time.